and welcome to our channel. This is Educational Classics. I'm so excited that this is another exciting moment as I come with another video. So in today's video, we are continuing with the series of how to enroll and make money online with a BA Honors Business Management Online degree. Yes, you heard me very well. Let me appreciate the company that I'm working for compiling this information and making sure that they are packaging it nicely for unique people, like yourself, and it's so amazing. Okay, I'm so grateful for them. So what do we do in our company? We create business proposals, profile portfolios, and AI powered marketing publications for different brands. So please hit our inbox. This is the email that I've provided. We'll be glad to revert back to you and offer you the best service that you are looking for. We are modern online businesses driving business growth in the digital era. Special thanks to freepicturesdownload.com and our sponsors and partners. With these ones, they've helped us with the emojis that we are using in this video. So we want to pay them special thanks. And before I move on, it will be injustice if I don't welcome you in a very special way in this channel. I welcome you, so please feel at home. Please take a seat. We met for the better. You take your seat. Take your seat by doing what? Subscribe. Just by subscribing, you are booking your space. You are taking your seat, and I will really appreciate you. You can also, again, share our videos and like and positively comment. We appreciate you for that in advance. Okay? And as I've already said, that this is what we'll be talking about, how to enroll and make money online with a BA Business Management degree. And I hope some of you are already tired. I was tired with my 9-to-5 job. I worked for 15 years and then I realized, no, it's time for me to start something for myself rather than just waking up, going through the traffic and then reaching work almost the whole day and then coming again through the same traffic. I was tired. So that's why I'm teaching you, showing you that is good to go for learning, to learn, because you need these skills. And then after learning, how can you use these skills to do your online business? Yes, to do your online thing, okay? To stand by your own business and make sure that it goes far, it grows. Okay, you grow with it every step. So the BA Honors Business Management degree that I'm offering you today, it is going to help you grow. Obviously, you will learn new skills, new knowledge, how you can tackle your online business. Yes, by just the first semester, you are almost ready to go if you are somebody who is fast learning, because you'll be learning a lot of things in the first semester that can just help you to start. Okay, I started learning about online businesses around 2018. Yes, 2018, while I was still doing my 9-to-5 job. So you have to learn these things. And then in 2020, I started to open my first, I opened a website. I created my own website. So then I took it from there. Now I'm full-time doing online business. So it's something that you can do as well. So how can you make money as a BA Honors Business Management degree? In this video, which is series number 4, we are focusing on e-commerce. That's where we are focusing. There are other ways you can do that: analytics, digital marketing experts, entrepreneurs, online consultants. But for now, let's talk about the e-commerce, how you can do that with the e-commerce. Okay, so tap into the e-commerce boom. Yes. Before we go into that, let's define what is e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to companies and individuals that buy and sell goods and services over the internet. As simple as that. E-commerce operates in different types of market segments and can be conducted over computer, tablets, earphones, and other smart devices. Okay? So that's basically what e-commerce is. E-commerce is booming like never before. This is where, now we are back to the presentation. This is where your business acumen can shine. Whether you choose to start your own online store, become an affiliate marketer, or offer consulting services to e-commerce businesses, the opportunities are vast. With your BA honors business management degree, you will have the expertise to navigate the world of online transactions, understand customer preferences, and effectively market your products or services. Yes, that's so amazing. So let's move on from what I have here. Let's look at why e-commerce. E-commerce it is very convenient to do e-commerce because why e-commerce? I said it, number one, it is convenient because e-commerce can occur 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Although e-commerce may take a lot of work, it is still possible to generate sales as you sleep or earn revenue while you are away from your store. Yes, that's very true. E-commerce stores, they operate online. Whether you are on vacation or you are sleeping, the money can just drop in and you'll be seeing alerts. Say you have sales, or this and that. Okay, you made a sale or whatever alerts that they can send. When you check the balance, you can realize your e-commerce store is doing well. That's nice. Okay. Another reason why you can venture in e-commerce is that there's increased selection. Many stores offer a wider array of products online than they carry in their brick and mortar counterparts. And many stores that solely exist online may offer consumers exclusive inventory that is unavailable elsewhere. Very true. When I compare a e-commerce with another shop, the issue here is that you can have a lot of stock online than in a physical store, because the physical store is obviously limited by the size of the store. But in the online, you can have vast number of what you are selling, vast number of products online without any limitations, by the way. So that's another wonderful reason why you can do, or you can tap, or you can venture into e-commerce. The third reason is that potentially there's lower startup cost. E-commerce companies may require a warehouse or manufacturing sites, but they usually don't need a physical storefront. The cost to operate digitally is often less expensive than needing to pay rent, insurance, building maintenance, and property taxes. So it's easier, in other words, to operate. The startup cost, you don't need a 1 billion to go and build an online store. You just need some few startup. Just need maybe $100, because there will be a $2 and some cents to open a website, and then other features that will need the plugins and stuff like that. But it is less expensive when compared to a physical store, because in a physical store you are going to need money by first of all building that building alone. That online store alone can cost you a lot of money, and then starting now to pile the physical goods, it's another money. And then the workers who are going to work, it's another expense. The securities to make sure the compound, the store, the physical store is secure, it's another expense. So this one is less cost to start up. Okay, Another reason, I think, is the fifth reason, international sales. With the e-commerce, you can sell internationally. It's not limited to the physical store. Okay? So as long as an e-commerce store can ship to customer, an e-commerce company can sell to anyone in the world and isn't limited by physical geography. Very true. Another one, I think, is this, and will be done. It's easier to target customers. As customers browse a digital storefront, it's easier to entice their attention towards placed adverts, directed marketing campaigns, or pop-ups especially aimed at a purpose. Yes, in other words, you can have your e-commerce store customers come in to buy. And also you have another, opportunity to advertise, to publicize those pop-ups and those ads. They can click in those ads, and then you can make money just from them clicking the ads. And they can follow up through the ads and then buy another product apart from what they've already bought or what they were intending to buy. They can buy another product. So in other words, it's not like those who come in the shop and then they found, oh, there's no salt, and then they'll go out. No. Okay? Oh, you come in your store, maybe they're looking for shoes and we are only selling jewelries, and then obviously they'll go out. But while you are in your jewelry store, you can, or your shoe store, you can have ads on something else, so that while they didn't buy from your store, at least they can click on the ads. They can maybe end up buying from what the ads is advertising. So that is another wonderful reason why you should venture into e-commerce. I think that is that. And before we move on, it would be unfortunate if I'm going to ask you, how are you going to achieve all that? And why am I asking? Because I have more goodies for you. We are offering to you an international scholarship so that you can enroll in the BA Honors Business Management degree. And this scholarship is what? 100% global, 100% online. You are going to choose universities from the United States of America, United Kingdom, and Africa. The choice is yours. And for us, we provided the right information. And how are we going to enroll? I'm going to leave this link here, or it's a code, description of the video. Make sure that you copy that code and paste in your browser and go and sign up. It's very important. After you have done that, make sure that you do what? Share the code. Share it with someone in the village, a child in the village, someone who is struggling, someone in Africa, someone in Ukraine, someone in the Philippines, someone in China, someone in Canada, wherever the people might be. Share it to billions of people, please. In your WhatsApp groups, in your Facebook groups. And inform them that this is an international scholarship. No boundaries at all. And another advantage, they're going to be paid at least about 75% or up to 75% of the scholarship program, of the tuition fee. Sorry. So this is amazing. And also I'm going to do what? Give you a call, another link for those who are looking for online jobs, so that while you are enrolling for school, you can do another job online, so that you can have extra funds to pay for the other balance which will be remaining. The balance is for you to pay in installments. Another good advantage. Another good. You are going to pay the balance in installment, and you can apply for an online job, and then you work this side, you do your school this side, and then you are ready to go. Altogether, I've given you almost 100% help. So I am your destiny helper. I'm a destiny helper to someone. Please make sure that this code goes viral. Share the code. Let it go. Share the link. Let it go viral. Let it move like a wildfire, okay? So that many people end up having hold of this opportunity while it still lasts. Okay? Yes. So what are you waiting for? Please belong. Let's grow this channel together. To all your networks, share. Thumbs up, like our videos, and positively comment in the comment section below. Yes, we want to celebrate you in advance. Congratulations. Let's throw you a graduation party in advance. I know some of you are going to take the opportunity while it's still there. It's not going to be there forever, remember? Things change in this world. So while it's still there, take the opportunity. Let's partnership together again as we craft you a business, a winning business proposal, portfolios, and profiles. And also, we do offer AI-powered marketing publications. Okay? Forget about those publications which were old. We offer you new, the trending ones, the AI powered, the 2023 version ones. Okay, so drop us an email. We'll make sure that we revert back to you. We are modern online businesses driving business growth in the digital era. Yes, you'll find us. We made for the better. Comment. You can say, I found a ransom in its educational classes. I found the link. I made it. We'll appreciate those who will say, I made it, I claimed it, I shared it. We'll make sure that those in the category number 3 who make it, who will share it with their Facebook, with their WhatsApps, we are going to shout them out, okay, and celebrate them in a very special way. We hope we will do that in these videos, in another videos, for upcoming videos. Okay, so let me give you the 30-second challenge. Check if you can do all these things in 30 seconds. Ready, go. Subscribe, share, comment, like, hit the notification bell, baby, so that you are the first one to be receive our new videos. And when you reach there, just say, I'm the first. We will also celebrate you, we'll also appreciate you in our next videos. Thank you so much for watching all the things that we have done, subscribing, sharing our link, the code to all those people in need in the villages. We appreciate you for that. And we are modern online businesses. We driving business growth in the digital era. So before we say goodbye, before we part ways, please, I'll leave you with lots of love. Not to leave you comfortless, but I'll leave you with lots of love, guys. Lots of love. I am your sister in the journey, Gloria. Stay tuned and goodbye. God bless.